Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this tutorial today, I'm going to quickly show you how to track order on Nike app. So let's get into the video. So open up the Nike app. So once you've launched the app, log into your account. So you need to log into your account to view so that you can track. That's it's not compulsory. You can also track as a guest, but I would prefer to log in so that it's easy. You can see more details on it. So once you've logged into your app here, so what you're going to do on your top left here, you'll see a hamburger icon. So click on it and then go to the orders page. Click on orders, and once you get to this orders page here you will see all your purchases. Like I don't have any purchases here, so it's nothing here. So once you get to your purchases page here, so here tap the specific item within the order you want to track, or track the order that you wish to track. So just tap on it. Once you tap on that order, and then that will open up the order details, and then simply tap on the track shipment button on that order. So that will show you all the estimated delivery date along with the carrier details and whatever the status of the order of that order. So that's how you can check the status of your purchase and track your order. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.